Alright, to do this problem here, it says because the ratio of the corresponding side lengths is blank. So they're saying that AD to WZ is 1/2. They're saying AB to WX is 1/2. So that means that the corresponding side lengths, the ratio is 1/2. The ratio of the areas is equal to 1/2 squared, because if you are trying to find the ratio of the area when it have a similar shape, it's the square of the ratio of the side length, so it'd be 1/2 squared. Squares are right there, so just plug in 1/2 to find the area. Solve the proportion 30 over x equals 1/4. And then you would get x to equal, well, that would be 120 equals x, so x equals 120 square inches. Alright, so that's how you solve number 3.